The first thing you do when you make a turkey is you get your apron on. Okay. We got 2 chefs. What is a chef?
It's someone who cooks your food.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so today we're cooking a Thanksgiving dinner. What do you think we will have for Thanksgiving?
Turkeys.
Turkey. So what do you have to do to the turkey?
Make it.
How are you going to make it?
Take the feathers off.
Take the feathers off. So can you help take them off? What else could we add? What kind of spice?
Salt.
Salt.
Add some pepper on it.
Sure, go ahead. Now he's ready to go in the oven, but what do we have to do first?
Put on the lid.
Okay, put on the lid. Good job helping each other. Good job teamwork. Where are you going to put him now?
The oven.
Okay, put him on in the oven. Okay, now we're going to make some other side dishes with him. What do you think goes with turkey?
Egg.
Oh, okay, we'll get a pan and cook the egg. Is the turkey done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you better pull it out. How's it smell? Okay, so go ahead and get the turkey. And then where are you going to set him? Okay, are you ready to sit down and have dinner now?
Yes.
Okay, sit down.